Wouldn't you know it, we had to go to Costco once again. Just can't stay away from that place. I know I'm not the only one that loves Costco though. And y'all loved my humongous haul that I did last time where we spent over $1,000. So I figured that I would show y'all another haul. This time we spent, I think it was $484, so almost $500. But we needed to stock up before this baby gets here. If you see this big old belly, I am 32 weeks pregnant right now. So I wanted to start getting my freezer meals together. So we had to go get a whole bunch of stuff for that, and also just some of our favorites too. So I'm going to show y'all all the things we got for this trip to Costco, and I'm sure we'll be back there in like another month or two and get some more. But let's get into this haul really quickly and go through all this stuff because there's quite a bit. So first off, we are going to try the Costco dog food and see if our dog likes it or not. We've never gotten their dog food before, but this was the mature dog formula, and our dog is really old, so we got that. We got 2 cases of the Kirkland waters, because the little bitty cases from Kroger, they only last us like maybe a week, and then we need another one. So we figured since we were at Kirkland's or at Costco, we'd go ahead and get 2 big cases of waters. I love getting my pull-ups there. This whole humongous thing for, how many's in this? 116 pull-ups is $37. So pretty good deal for all those pull-ups. And of course, if y'all watched any of my other hauls, y'all know that we can't get by with just 1 gallon of milk. So this time we got 4 gallons. That should last us a week. Yeah, I know, a whole week. Oh, these kids, they go through way too much milk. And then I saw the Promised Land on sale there. They hardly ever have the Promised Land milk, and these were a little over $7 for 2 of them. So I grabbed these milks. Even though my oldest son is obsessed with chocolate milk, these are from Momma. I love this kind of milk. My oldest son, his favorite is the Horizon, so I will get him some more of that when I go to Kroger tomorrow. Yeah, I know. With all of these groceries, we still didn't get everything we needed, so I will have to go to Kroger tomorrow. I might do that haul for y'all as well, because it'll probably be a pretty good size one. And then we got a, sorry, I'm out of breath. Oh, we got a 4-pack of the Capri Suns to have easy juice on hand. I needed some butter because after the holidays I baked away all of my butter. I need some for some recipes I'm doing. And for vegetables, I got some of these yellow and red little potatoes, a thing of Brussels sprouts, and a thing of broccoli. My youngest has been loving straw babies. That's what he calls them. So we got some strawberries for him. So I'm going to wash these and get them all prepared for him. This right here was only like 12 something. So that was a pretty good deal for 2 Velveetas, and I needed those for some recipes, so I got that. We go through a lot of cheese, so I had to stock up on that as well. We got some of this mild cheddar cheese, and we go through 2 bags of this pretty quickly, especially with all the meals I'm going to be making. And then we also got some mozzarella cheese to go on some of the other recipes I'm making, and then we're going to move over to this right here. Got another 6-pack of the canned chicken, a 4-pack of bacon. This is the thin sliced bacon, but we're going to use this for jalapeno poppers, so it's perfect for that. And we really like this bacon over the thick cut, but thick cut is still delicious. And then I got a big thing of hamburger meat, lots of chicken. So I got chicken breast and chicken thighs for the meals I'm going to be making for my freezer prep. This PB Fit, I love this stuff, and we've been out in my Kroger, or not my Kroger, my Costco for a while, and this is really cheap there, so definitely if you see this in your Costco, pick it up. It's very much worth it, and it is a lot healthier than real peanut butter, and it's a lot cheaper than getting the little bitty one at the store. So definitely pick that up if you see it and you like peanut butter. And then we also got these Jimmy Dean croissants. These are for my husband's breakfasts. He wanted to try the Dunkin' coffee this time, so we got the Dunkin' Donuts coffee. This is the best dang pesto I've ever tried. I didn't think I liked pesto until I tried this one from Costco, and it is delicious. And I get several meals out of this. Like, I can get like 5 meals out of this one thing of pesto, and I just freeze it in between the meals. Of course, I needed a big thing of ranch because I was out. And so it's just good to have this on hand, and so those little packets. My Costco has also been out of this for a while. My Costco has also been out of coconut milk for a while. This is my favorite brand of coconut milk. And I like to have this on hand to make dairy-free and gluten-free meals. So I was really excited to see that they had that back in stock. And this is a 6-pack, so that'll last me for a while. So good thing to have. And then I got 2 things of Worcestershire sauce because we've been out of that for a while too. This huge thing of honey, and it was such a good deal. So I just had to get that. I've never tried the wildflower honey, but I'm sure it is delicious. Then I also got this pack of Prego for the lasagna I'm going to make. I'm going to cheat and let this help me out on making my sauce, because making sauce from start just takes a long time. So I'll only probably use 2 of these in my lasagna, so I'll have 1 left over. And then I got this stuff right here. This is so freaking good. It is zebra popcorn, and I got 1 bag of this last time, and I had to ration myself on it. So this time I got 2 bags where I wouldn't have to ration, and I could eat as much as I wanted. It is so good. Definitely, if you see this in your store, pick it up. It is amazing. And then also for snackies, we got these peanut butter chocolate mix. This is delicious. I can already tell you that this is going to be eaten very quickly. It has Reese cups, Reese's like peanut butter chips in it, and chocolate chips. It has all kinds of goodies in there. So this is going to be yummy. I can already tell just from the description of it. And we are going to eat that very quickly. This right here, if you have not tried their chunk chocolate chip cookies, they are delicious. You can tell by looking at the package that we've already broke into them and ate a few because they were just not going to make it all the way home. I need to make some Oreo desserts for my baby shower that's coming up. So I got this big pack of Oreos. Might as well. It'll last us for a while. This is also for the baby shower. So I got a big pack of the King's Hawaiian rolls. And this should be plenty for that event. And the 2-pack is just a lot better deal. I got these pans for all of my freezer meals I'm going to have, and also just to have on hand. And this is the 11x9 size, and these are going to be the perfect size for my freezer meals, because last time I got the really big ones and it was just way too much food. So this is going to be perfect. Reynolds wrap to cover everything, and then I am starting to nest, so I need to wash all my baby stuff. So I got the ultra clean and clear, and this should be safe for the baby since it has no dyes or scent or anything like that. So I'm going to have this big thing on hand to start doing all of my baby washing. And I haven't used this before, so I'll look it up first, but I'm pretty sure this should be just fine for the baby. Last time we got these big kitchen bags, it took us forever to go through them, like almost a year. So we got another big box of these, and it'll probably last us a year again. There you have it. And wouldn't you know, we even remembered to bring our reusable bags this time. Usually we forget and we're just carrying all this stuff individually. Now here's an overview of what we got at Costco for $450 pretty much. So I hope that y'all enjoyed that video. If y'all did, consider subscribing to my channel where y'all can see all the things coming up. I'm going to be sharing all of those freezer meals that I'm making for y'all, or for myself I guess, but I'll be sharing it with y'all in case y'all need to make them for yourself as well. and I'm going to be sharing all of my baby nesting, all of that stuff, our baby hauls that are coming up. So if you like seeing stuff like that, then stick around on my channel because I will have all of that stuff coming out in like the next 2 months or so. Hopefully baby girl stays in here for at least another 4 weeks. We really need to make it to at least 36 weeks with her. But I'm supposed to technically be on bed rest, but that's a struggle. So I'm gonna put all this stuff away. Might even call down my husband and let him help me put some of it away too. And then I'm going to sit on my butt and rest. But I hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.